Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop autoplay on Amazon Prime Video using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, only for iPhone and open the Amazon Prime Video app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on any shows on your Amazon Prime Video app. Once you are in, now start playing a episode on your Amazon Prime Video. Find autoplay next episode on your screen. Tap the switch to turn it off. When it's off, the next episode will not play automatically anymore. Close the Prime Video app on your iPhone. Open it again so the new settings can apply. And that's it. Once autoplay is turned off, episode will stop at the end. You stay in control of what plays next and your settings works across device. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.